along the frontier of imagination and science. In the mid-19th century, Jules Verne intrigued the world with his sci-fi novel From a Cannon to the Moon, where humans were sent to the moon in a huge cannon shell. There was something so exciting about this far-reaching project that readers immersed in the scientific atmosphere of the time wondered, could this fantastic idea ever become a reality? The shell's journey between the Earth and the Moon. In theory, sending a projectile to the Moon seems possible. If fired with sufficient initial velocity, more than 11 kilometers per second, and in the absence of atmospheric drag, the projectile could escape the Earth's gravity by traveling forever on a parabolic trajectory, escaping into infinite outer space. Atmospheric obstacles and space speeds. However, insurmountable obstacles stand in the way of realizing this idea. Air resistance is one of the biggest enemies of such a journey. At the speed of 8 kilometers per second, required to achieve an orbit around the Earth, air resistance would be enormous, making such a launch method virtually impossible. Elliptical orbits and infinite parabolas. If the projectile manages to overcome air resistance and Earth's gravity, its trajectory will depend on its initial velocity. At different velocities, the projectile can move along elliptical orbits, becoming a kind of artificial satellite of the Earth, or it can go to an infinite parabola, leaving the Earth forever. Verne's ideas in modern space. Nowadays, as rockets and spaceships have become a reality, we can see that Verne's ideas were ahead of their time, anticipating some aspects of space travel. Rockets have indeed become the vehicle of choice for space missions, but the laws of physics described by Verne remain relevant today. The limits of fantasy and science. Jules Verne masterfully combined scientific knowledge and fantasy, offering imaginative journeys that inspired future generations of scientists and explorers to dream of their own space adventures.